Alright, so this is the IVY. This is Canon's new portable printer. It does come with zinc paper, however I have this here just to show you and demonstrate how it prints. So I'll show you that in a minute. So let's get right into it here. So open up the top, and it's really simple. Out comes IVY. And it's a very simple, sleek design. So I'll just pull it out of the box. Okay, and underneath you have, well, you've just got some simple instructions, all the warranties and that sort of thing. It does come with paper, as I mentioned before, and then you get a charger cable for the charger, or for the printer rather. So here is IVY. This is a very portable printer, very small, very sleek. It will easily fit in a pocket. I mean, it's really not much bigger than a phone. There's the on button. If you just hold it down, you'll see that light come on, and that's how you know it's turned on. Then you have the charging port as well as a reset button. If you look at the front, you have the slot in which all the paper will come out. That's where it gets printed. And then you have this top, which just slides forward, comes off, and that's where you put the paper. That's it. No ink is needed. It's just that simple. So just quickly open up this paper, and well, we'll get into a demonstration. So the paper's pretty small, but I'd say it's comparable probably to like the Fujifilm Instax instant film cameras. And then this just goes in. Make sure you put it with the glossy face of the paper up. That's how it prints. And then you just put the top back on, really simple. It clicks in, and you're good to go. So then you just need to download the Canon Mini Print app. Make sure that the device is on so that you can connect it to your phone. And then open up the app, and you just press that little button up there. It'll search for the printer, and it'll find it. It's pretty quick, pretty easy, and you can take pictures on the phone from in your gallery, or you can transfer them from your Canon camera and print them that way. I'm just going to take a quick picture just to, show it off. So I'm going to take a picture of IVY. Takes a second, and then all you have to do is hit the print button, and it gives you other options to do collages, various effects. So this part is sped up just because I want to keep this video kind of short. It takes probably about a minute to print out a picture, and here you see it coming out. And like I said before, you can print from your camera, but you do have to send that picture to your phone first. But that's pretty easy with all the Bluetooth connectivity. And there's the picture. Nice small little size, and it looks pretty good. So that's IVY. Really cool portable printer. Come pick yours up at Pixel Connection. Thank you so much for watching.